the great wealth transfer opportunity. Right now, there's a $68 trillion wealth transfer happening that could change your financial future forever. Baby boomers are passing down the largest intergenerational wealth transfer in history, and most millennials aren't even aware it's happening. By 2030, $1 trillion will change hands every single year. The question is, will you be ready to seize this opportunity, or will it pass you by? This isn't just about inheriting money. Think of it like a tide washing in a sea of opportunity, reshaping the financial landscape as it flows. New industries emerge, old businesses change hands, and real estate portfolios shift. Yet 70% of millennials are unprepared to take advantage of these changes. That's where your opportunity lies. Let me show you 3 ways to position yourself for this wealth transfer. First, get into the business of serving aging boomers. Their needs are creating entire new industries. Senior move managers charge $3,000 to $5,000 to help downsize homes. Elder law attorneys are thriving. Even simple services like tech tutoring for seniors can generate $100 an hour. These businesses will only grow as more boomers retire. Second, prepare to acquire assets at discount prices. Many heirs want cash fast when they inherit property or businesses, creating bargain opportunities. Start building relationships now with estate attorneys and financial planners. Get pre-approved for business loans or mortgages so you can act quickly when deals appear. The wealthy have been doing this for generations. Now it's your turn. Third, position yourself in industries that will benefit from this transfer. Financial advising for millennials is set to boom as inheritances roll in. Estate sale companies will see record business. Tax specialists who understand trust funds will be in high demand. Even professional organizing services will grow as massive amounts of belongings are passed down. The numbers are staggering. Cerulli Associates estimates $84 trillion will transfer by 2042, with $72 trillion going to heirs. But here's the catch. Most inheritors blow through the money in less than 3 years. Why? Because they never learned how to manage wealth. This creates a second opportunity, helping people preserve what they inherit. Financial education services will be worth their weight in gold. Real estate will see the biggest shifts. Boomers own 32% of all homes. As they downsize or pass away, millions of properties will hit the market. Some will be bargains as heirs rush to sell. Others will need renovations, another opportunity. Smart investors are already building cash reserves to pounce on these deals. Are you? Small businesses will change hands at record rates. Over 40% of small business owners are boomers, and many have no succession plan. This creates incredible opportunities to buy established businesses at reasonable prices. Seller financing is common in these situations, meaning you might not even need perfect credit to take over a cash-flowing business. The wealth transfer will create new millionaires overnight, but not just through inheritance. When someone inherits $500,000, they might start a business, invest in real estate, or hire financial help. Each of these actions creates opportunities for those ready to provide services. Here's what you need to do right now to prepare. First, educate yourself on basic estate planning. You don't need to be an expert, but understanding trusts, step-up basis, and capital gains will help you spot opportunities. Second, build your cash reserves. Even $10,000 set aside gives you options when deals appear. Third, develop valuable skills that will be in demand, anything from home inspections to business valuations. The tax implications alone will create opportunities. Many heirs will need help navigating capital gains, property taxes, and inheritance laws. If you understand these areas, you can position yourself as a valuable resource. Even basic knowledge puts you ahead of most people. Digital assets add another layer. Most boomers haven't planned for their online accounts, cryptocurrencies, or digital businesses. Services that help manage or transfer these assets will be crucial. This is a wide open field with almost no competition yet. The time to prepare is now. By 2030, the transfer will be in full swing. Those who position themselves early will reap the benefits. Start small if you need to. Take a course on estate sales. Save $100 a week toward your investment fund. Build skills that will be valuable in the coming decade. This isn't just about money, it's about creating a life of opportunity and freedom.